Kwe nidong box to nidong basqua. Pomgi Scott. Kizo o Ligan. Sunny today. So sunny today. I am cooking here. I believe what today is February 28th. And my solar cooker is already up to 300. So there was ice this morning, and there was a rare phenomenon this morning, which I haven't seen in a long time, where it's so cold, but then the fog comes up, and it's actually icy out, but the fog gets thick and completely blocks the sun as it's rising, and then the fog freezes into mini ice crystals, tiny little ice crystals floating around like being in a snow globe. It was beautiful this morning, just a beautiful day. So what we're going to cook today, this is called Komboca. It's a Japanese pumpkin. I got it in the pot that came with the All-American Sun Oven. But, you know, I ain't an American, so I took the Sun Oven sticker off the side because I don't want to be associated with that red, white, and blue or that government. So I'm going to put that in the oven, and you can see I got the, whoa, I kicked it now. I don't know if you can see the solar dot. It's that little white dot, the light. That's the sun indicator. So I'm leading the sun right now. Anyway, I'm going to pop this in. And you see I keep a trivet. I mean a hot pad that's actually made out of, I cut holes in it to let more heat through, but that is a silicone hot pad. I'm just going to set that in, and I'm going to tell you about squash. Now, in our language, wasa is pumpkin, which means orange, just the same as orange is named after the fruit. The fruit is not named after the color. So this Japanese pumpkin, Komboca. I don't ever, almost never do I peel squash. I never take the guts or the seeds out. You cook with them. What people don't realize is the sweetest part of the pumpkin is those stringy guts. And I always take those after they're cooked, and I like them pan fried till they're kind of chewy, crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. And then I roast the seeds, or I throw the seeds in my soup. But the skin and the guts, the stringy guts, have the most sweetness in them. And if you take butternut squash and you roast it with the skin on, you will see sugary syrup dripping out of it. It drips out of it, and sometimes you see it burned up on the pan. But that sugar syrup is delicious. You don't want to give up all that good stuff. So, the whole pumpkin is complete food, not just the meat. That is so wasteful. You got to stop looking at any French or European ways of cooking, because everything they do is cut off stuff and throw it away. It's extremely wasteful. It's wasteful because that's what rich, decadent people do. They just cut off whatever they don't like, they toss it away, and then they get an incomplete nutrition because they eat only the select parts that we like, and they waste everything else. So anyway, enough griping. Everybody have a good day. I'm going to go play with my slingshots and my blowgun and try to figure out how I'm going to get back to my camp in Maine and be able to survive there, because that cabin is just no good anymore. So I really have no shelter. I think I might put up a video that's really ugly about the interior of my cabin, and that one was when it was still decent. Anyway, we'll all make them gone, Kiyomo. What was all Megwidich? Good luck and blessings. Adio, which is not Spanish. Adio is Western Abenaki for goodbye.